Shooting at the range, chilling, standing there, drawing out. Being pretty simple. Until you miss. That was better. Now we start to move around a little bit. Start to throw some rounds. Sights aren't as easy to get down on. And go back. Draw down. Using a new holster. Make sure things are good there. Through 2 and hit 1. Now what's the point here? It's easy to sit at the range, quote unquote easy. Stand still and shoot. I would heavily advise you to walk around a little bit. Do a little bit of shooting and moving. Get out of that comfort zone here. Boom, right there. Boom, boom, boom. You'll find you throw more, but also you'll start to get comfortable with things like mag empty. Slide back. Come on this way. Work around vehicles. Pretend you're behind cover. Shoot squatting down. It's a lot more difficult to hit when you're moving than when you're stationary. And this is my miserable attempt to show you that you gotta work on these things.